Hi and welcome to the June edition of Connector. First and foremost, from all of the team at the AIIA, we hope that you, your family, your friends and work colleagues are all safe at this time. We understand that lockdown and isolation has created challenges, but it's also created opportunities. I continue to be inspired by those who are reinventing their businesses during this time. I'm also proud of the way that our industry has responded, providing everyone with the tools, services and solutions to enable people to keep doing what we need to do in business and our personal lives. Having the government declare the ICT industry as an essential service speaks volumes about the role we play in supporting and adding value to the Australian economic prosperity. To that end, we will continue to inform the government on the strategic role that we can play in our economic recovery. As the federal and state governments develop their budgets as part of the recovery plan, infrastructure investment is also about technology. Our industry contributes over $120 billion to the Australian economy, and we can easily deliver over an incremental $300 billion to support every other industry in this country. We know that with sound investment in R&D, skills, support for innovation and our small to medium businesses, we can also employ hundreds of thousands of Australians, making our economy stronger and more sustainable, as well as less susceptible to external impacts as we currently are experiencing. A drive for a digital economy has enormous benefits for everyone. I'm delighted to share with you that our own transformation has resulted in an increase in the number of members and attendance at our events. Our members are really getting value from membership with our advocacy in support of continued investment in their industry and the opportunities that it creates. If you're not a member, now is the time to become a member, not only to support the industry, but to actually get involved and support your own business. Go to the website to get the membership information. Our online briefing series has now surpassed over 2,300 attendees across 25 events with visitors from all over Australia and from overseas as well. The feedback has been terrific. Check out our dynamic digital program guide on our website and register. We've got some great topics and speakers coming up. Finally, I also want to remind you that now is the time when Australia really needs innovation solutions, and the AIIA is ready to reward and showcase your great ideas through the new iAwards program called The Biggest Pitch. We have simplified the competition, we've made it an easy process to be part of, we've made it free, and we've improved the rewards and prizes. We need technology heroes right now. We know that you're out there, so enter the competition and let us open the doors for you. Thank you.